Fixed duty schedule. In this tutorial we will cover how to view scheduled duties, 3 ways to remove duty schedules, export schedule to Excel. Fixed duty schedule allows to view and delete both normal and flexible roster scheduled duties. It is available under Attendance and Time Workflow Fixed Duty Schedule menu. Roster schedules can be viewed by employee number, business unit, roster, or roster period. To view duty schedule of a particular staff, select a staff from employee list and press Submit button. To clear all fields and start a new search, press Clear button. To view duty schedule of a specific roster, select the business unit to which the roster belongs to and then select the roster and press Submit button. To view duty schedule for a period of days, set the roster dates from and to fields and press Submit button. Duty schedule can be viewed with any combination of these fields. Below, roster schedule table shows staff, roster, and shift details for the selected condition. To delete particular record, press the red button at the end of the row. If the schedule is successfully deleted, record deleted message appears and allows the user to undo the delete operation. Pressing the undo button reverses the delete function and brings the record back. To delete a set of records, check the checkboxes at the beginning of each row and press Delete Selected button. To delete everything, press Delete All button. A confirmation box appears. Pressing Yes would delete all the visible records, while pressing No ignores the delete action. The populated duty schedule can be exported to Excel using the To Excel button. Further filtering can be achieved by the search box. Thank you for watching Keplar Time and Attendance series. Please subscribe to get the latest updates on Keplar.